Hi friends, welcome to our channel Learn Something Every Moment. From this video we will learn how to solve problems on blood relations. Before solving the problems, we will discuss some basic points on blood relations. Okay, let's begin. See, if one girl is there and one brother is there, they both are, uh, one girl and one boy is there. Okay, they both are brother and sister, and her mother. This is called as first generation. Okay, from this we are going upwards. Mother and father, for them mother father, mother father. Now we are seeing from all relations from this girl. Okay, so for this girl, mother father, mother is grandmother, mother father is grandfather, and father mother is grandmother, father is grandfather. Okay, the father have brother and sister, and mother also have brother and sister. What they are related to this girl? Aunt and uncle, uncle and aunt, those also uncle and aunt, but we use the terms paternal and maternal. Okay, paternal word is used for father and maternal word is used for mother. See, how can we remember in easy way? Mother first letter M. Okay, maternal first letter M. Got it? So maternal word is used for mother. What is the left word? Paternal. Paternal is used for father side. Okay, so those are related to how? Paternal uncle and paternal aunt. Maternal uncle and maternal aunt. Okay, those also like that only. They also how? Maternal grandmother, maternal grandfather, paternal grandmother, paternal grandfather. And one more two terms. See, grand aunt and grand uncle. How? See, if the grandmother or grandfather have brother and sister, they are related to this girl as grand aunt and grand uncle. Got it? Sister we called as grand aunt. Those brother we called as grand uncle. Okay, and she have one brother, right? He is the brother. The brother have one son and daughter. Those are related to girl as son as nephew and daughter as niece. Got it? See, I am writing nephew, son. This word is used for son, I mean brother son or sister son. Okay, this word is used for daughter, niece. Okay, brother son or sister son we called as nephew, and brother daughter or else sister daughter we called as niece. Okay, and this girl get married and one handsome guy is came. Okay, for this guy, those are related. For this guy, these all related like law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, like that, brother-in-law. Okay, in-law. Okay, got it? This guy also have mother, father, like this relation, right? Sorry, mother, father. Those are related to how? Mother-in-law, father-in-law for this girl. Getting? Okay. Now before solving problems on blood relations, we have to remember some symbols. Okay? For easy way to solve. Getting? Up arrow, down arrow, symbol, hyphen, and square, circle. Up arrow is used for above generation, down arrow is used for low generation, and this one is used for partner, wife or husband, and this is used for say siblings, and this one is used for male male identification. This one is used for circle. Getting? We will take examples. See, up arrow is used for above generation. Like uh, for example, Lucky is daughter of Purna. Then here Purna is mother. Purna is the above generation, right? So Purna Lucky. Or else we will write like this: Purna Lucky. Getting? Which means Lucky is in the next generation of Purna. Okay. Or else see, this one is mother, this is daughter. Okay. And this one is used for partner, like Purna Prasad. Okay, wife and husband. This one is used for male identification. See, Prasada is written in square and Purna written in oval shape circle. Getting? Female. Now we will take one example to understand all symbols. I mean, symbol, these symbols are not a compulsion symbols. We will take these symbols for upcoming examples problems. Okay, some are take for male plus and female take minus, but it's look different, right? For male plus and female minus, or else for male minus and female plus, it's not looking good, right? So we will take a square and circle. Okay, see here, for example, information given like Lucky is sister of Virendra and who is son of Purna. Purna is wife of Prasad. Prasad father-in-law is Subhash. Getting? See now. How can we represent this one? Lucky. Lucky is sister of Virendra, which means Lucky is female. Okay? And sister or brother. Siblings means how can? This symbol, right? So, Virendra. Okay? Next. Virendra is son of Purna, which means Virendra is male and son of Purna, which means like that. Purna. And we don't know Purna is mother or father. By the name we get, but we don't take like this. What they give, Purna is wife of Prasad, which means Purna is female. So, no. Prasad. Sister. Here, mother. Getting? I think you get this topic. Hope so you all get this topic, right? In upcoming videos, we will solve too many problems on blood relations. Okay. Thank you for watching. Keep smile.